So it is another tropical depression day, and so with nothing better to do, I'm gonna cook. That's what I'm gonna do. I got this halibut right here, and I kind of got started here without you guys, but got this halibut here, and these were those long, I mean like 2 foot long green beans, and I got me some tomatoes underneath here and some olive oil, that calamansi, however you want to call it. Got that all on here. I got some basil. I've got some rosemary, and probably fix. Oh, I've got some nice Himalayan sea salt or Himalayan salt. I don't know if you call it sea salt, but it's Himalayan salt. Got that on there, man. It is looking right. It is looking right. So now get this oven fired up over here and get it heated up. I'm gonna bake this up. So now, while I'm doing the typhoon cooking, the tropical storm cooking, I'm gonna get me some garlic here, mince me up a little fresh garlic. Yeah, man, that's gonna be good on it right there, boy. But I'll tell you what I'm not gonna put. I'm not putting no magic syrup, and I'm not putting soy sauce. No magic syrup. No soy sauce. Might put a little bit of maybe some Creole seasoning or something on here. What I got over there? Put some black pepper there on it already. Smash that a little better. I think that'll be enough right there for this. It's already pretty minced up anyway. Beautiful. Good enough right there. So I want to tell you something about a lot of these ovens here in the Philippines. You will rarely find one that has a gas pilot always going, because they don't want to waste that fuel, or an electric igniter. It is still old school, drop the match in the hole. So I'm gonna set this camera down and get this oven set. But yeah, it's still like the old days here. So I got that halibut right there, just sitting there soaking up that seasoning while this oven gets warm. Olive oil, tomatoes, it'll cook up in there. Man, oh man, look at that garlic. Ah, it's gonna be good. I think Melinda's got her doubts though, I don't know. I think she's still making a backup plan. I seen some activity going on outside. But us being in Asia, I guarantee you can guess what's underneath lid number 1. Yeah, guarantee. What a better way to cook. Watching great big waves white capping out for, man, I can look out there for kilometers out across the water and see huge white caps. It's kind of cool in a way, but it's a little nervy too, man. You're like living right on the edge all the time. I don't know if we're gonna be able to escape out of here on this trip. We will eventually have to go back to the States because I've got cattle there. Winter will be coming. I got rent houses back there. Just responsibilities, you know. Things to do, banking, taxes, all of that. Man, I tell you what though, we have a plan that we're gonna go there, hit it hard, get everything situated, and get right back here and get on it. We're gonna skip that cold winter again in the US, come back here. It's the perfect season here. It is their best season. when it's our really cold weather back in the U.S., it's their calmest time. Here in the Philippines, these storms are gone. We're already at 4 storms already for September. 4 of these big storms. You know, it's an active time, but when we come back, they're almost null and void. And it is the best weather. It's not too hot yet. The climate's good. The atmosphere's kind of settled down, and it will be awesome time not only to be over there building, but it will also be an awesome time to get out and do some adventures. And that's what we're missing. In fact, we are like 2 caged animals right now dealing with this house building project, because we just want to get in that truck and go. I mean, that's what we want to do. We want to get over to the next islands. We want to go snorkeling, and we've come real close to just getting to a stopping point over there and picking that back up when we return. So it's our choices. So guys, you know, can't tell you exactly what we're going to do, but me and Mel, we just kind of go with the flow, you know, and we just go with what mood strikes us, and we weigh out the ups and downs of what it is, the move that we're making. And main thing we want to not stop doing is enjoying life. You can come on in here, Mel. Good Lord, it smells good in here right now. I like that smell. Smell good to you? Mel says she's hungry, ready to eat. So let's see what this joker's looking like. Mel, maybe you can open up that oven. So Melinda's gonna check this thing out and see if it's ready. Slide that out there some. You can slide that rack out.
What do you think? That beans good.
Yeah, it's looking pretty good. Yeah, I think it's ready to go. Just turn that oven on off, save that gas. Oh man, yeah, that garlic's cooked up good. That thing is a boiling and a cooking. I like it. Boy, I bet those tomatoes will be good too. I can smell them from here. Man, look at that. That garlic roasted up nice on top. Man, oh man. What do you think about it, Mel?
It's already making me hungry. Just the smell, how much more do I get?
It or the rice is making you hungry?
All.
All.
Rice and fish. Let's see
Well,
this. It's good. It's ready.
Yeah, get a little bit of that juice on there.
Try the beans.
Oh, yeah, I want to try one of those beans too. See. Nice.
Where's your plate?
Nice. Get a little bite of this halibut here. I like that halibut. It's always nice and flaky. Boy, look at that. Oh my God.